Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Shannon Gabriel is in line to play his first one-day international for the West Indies in 4 years after he was selected in a 15-man squad for the 3-match series against South Africa. This will be the first series for new captain Shea Hope, with Jamaican Rovman Powell his deputy. Brandon King and Dean Smith are the other Jamaicans in the squad. The squad is completed by former captain Nicholas Puran, Shamar Brooks, Yannick Correa, Casey Carty, Roston Chase, Jason Holder, Akil Hussain, Alzari Joseph and Romaria Shepherd, who is back after missing the last series against New Zealand in 2022. Meanwhile, the T20 squad was also selected, with Evan Lewis the only omission from the first-round World Cup exit in Australia last year. Shepherd comes into the squad, which has Kyle Mears as deputy to Rovman Powell. Fast bowler Obed McCoy has been selected but is subject to a medical clearance. Meanwhile, the West Indies women's team suffered elimination today at the ICC T20 World Cup in South Africa following India's 5-run win over Ireland via the Duckworth-Lewis method in St George's. The Indians posted a competitive 155 for 6 from their 20 overs, with Smriti Madana top scoring with 87. The Irish were 54 for 2 after 8.2 overs and 5 runs behind the par score when rain interrupted play and forced an end to the contest. The result meant the Windies' 4 points will not be enough to topple either England or India, who are on 6 points. Both teams progressed to the semis, but the group winners will be decided when England take on Pakistan tomorrow. Now, in search of their first win with new head coach Clovis de Oliveira, Chapelton Maroons oppose former champions at Tivoli Gardens in the first of a doubleheader at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College this afternoon in the JPL. Now, the Clarendon-based team suffered 1-0 defeats in their last 2 matches with the Brazilian at the helm and are rooted to the foot of the table on 3 points. Meanwhile, Tivoli are 9th on 17 points but are without a win in their last 2 matches. The match kicks off at 5 p.m. At 7:30, 2021 champions Cavalier can move to within 3 points of leaders Mount Pleasant when they take on Vere United. Cavalier, who are on 4th on 26 points, have one win in their previous 3 matches, while Vere United, who are 12th on 14 points, are unbeaten in their last 3 matches and have conceded only 1 goal to start the year. Femke Bol shattered the longest-standing athletics track record on the books when she clocked 49.26 seconds to win the Dutch women's indoor 400-metre title on Sunday. Now, the 22-year-old Olympic 400-metre hurdles bronze medalist and World Championships silver medalist eclipsed the mark of 49.59 set by Czech Republic's Jarmila Kratochvilova in Milan on March 7, 1982. Bol dipped under 50 seconds for the first time indoors when she ran 49.96 in Metz last weekend. And Jason Tatum scored an all-star game record 55 points to lead Team Giannis to a 184-175 victory over Team LeBron in NBA's annual showpiece. Boston Celtics forward Tatum was named Most Valuable Player as he broke the previous record of 52 points set by Anthony Davis in 2017. Tatum's Celtics teammate Jaylen Brown led the Team LeBron with 35 points and a game-high 14 rebounds, while James exited on 13 points after hitting his finger against the rim while trying to block a shot. Los Angeles Lakers star James now shares the All-Star selections record of 19 with Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, but defeat in Salt Lake City on Sunday was his first of 6 All-Star games as a captain. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.